SES, the leading designer and builder of equipment for the metals and related industries. As designers and builders of specialty equipment, SES services the capital equipment needs of its customers. The quality, robust, cost-effective designs of SES employ the innovative talents of its engineers and the latest technological industry advancements. To exceed our customers' expectations, SES also strives to implement design and equipment life improvements during equipment rebuilds. This extends the life of critical equipment and reduces downtime, enhancing the overall process and performance of our customers' operations. The goal of SES is to provide customers with innovative solutions backed by an extensive knowledge of the equipment design process. Founded in 1976, SES has grown from a startup company to the leading domestic supplier of equipment and services for the metals and related industries. From the initial concept of its founders, SES has striven to create quality, cost-effective, technology-driven equipment designed to satisfy its customers' requirements. The SES mission has been to develop long-term relationships by knowing its customers, identifying their problems, and exceeding their expectations through innovative problem-solving. Now, with a staff of over 100 and 2 high-quality manufacturing facilities in Alliance, Ohio, SES provides on-site fabrication of equipment, enabling SES to handle projects ranging from small specialty items to major capital expansions. SES works with the customer to ensure that the final product meets their required needs and specifications. CAD simulation, computer-animated solid modeling, and line drawings allow customers to see the equipment or system in a three-dimensional view and in real time. SES engineers begin each task by conducting a meticulous and extensive assessment of the situation. They then develop an innovative solution for the manufacturing problem and then manufacture that solution. SES also has a full-service redesign and rebuild group that is dedicated to continually improving the customer's process. Using root cause failure analysis to determine the reason for equipment failure, SES engineers improve the equipment to increase its service life beyond that of the original design. The redesign and rebuild philosophy reduces downtime and extends equipment lifespan, saving the customer time and money. SES offers world-class equipment designed and manufactured to the highest standards in the industry today. SES is the leading supplier for specialty and melt shop transfer cars and heavy capacity related equipment for steel mill applications. SES also supplies the aerospace, power, copper, brass, fiberglass, and mining industries. SES has designed and manufactured approximately 75% of all transfer cars over the last quarter of a century in this country. Our production list includes standard and custom design ladle transfer cars, tundish transfer cars, bottom pouring cars, coke transfer door machine cars, low profile generator transfer cars, coil transfer cars, and more. Rated capacities range from 5 to 11,000 tons and speeds from 20 feet per minute to 1,400 feet per minute. SES also designs and builds various casting, pouring, and metallurgy stations and turrets, along with all associated melt shop material handling equipment. And as the leading expert on Hertz stress-related applications, SES uses this knowledge and experience to enhance our creativity. Our focus has always been to improve and simplify the application, to achieve the best solution for each individual need, competitively priced and delivered on time. Competitive pricing and superior equipment are just two of the reasons why SES is a major supplier of hot mill and cold mill strip processing equipment. SES provides entry and exit terminal equipment for cold mill applications, both directly to the mills and to major mill builders. This includes standard and custom-designed equipment such as payoff and tension reels, drag uncoilers, belt wrappers, coil prep stations, bridle rolls, levelers and flatteners, as well as complete mill entry equipment. SES also designs and manufactures hot mill mandrels, down coilers, hot mill roll tables and side guides, and more. At SES, we strive to develop long-term relationships based on cooperation, innovative problem-solving, and the success and reliability of our equipment. Our focus has always been to improve and simplify the process, to achieve the best solution for each individual need, competitively priced and delivered on time. Since its founding, SES has focused on creating quality, cost-effective designs utilizing the latest technology and innovative talents of our engineering team. SES has expanded the boundaries of many engineering applications in the world today. Our expertise extends beyond the steel and aluminum industries to encompass the aerospace, power, copper, brass, fiberglass, and mining industries and shipyards. Our custom design equipment includes simple storage racks for crane cables, advanced hood and additive systems, light and heavy lift systems, lifting grabs and tongs, and undercarriages and tie-down assemblies for highly sensitive missile launch facilities. At SES, we pride ourselves on our many custom-designed and built machines and systems used throughout all industries. SES is the leading domestic supplier of slab furnace charging and extracting machines, along with associated slab roll tables, pushers, and material handling equipment. Our expertise includes deep slab charging, extracting with major elevation changes, floor-mounted machines or overhead designs, entry and exit tables, and depilers. All are custom designed to meet the customer's specific needs. At SES, we strive to develop long-term relationships based on cooperation, innovative problem-solving, and the success and reliability of our equipment. Our focus has always been to improve and simplify the process, to achieve the best solution for each individual need, competitively priced and delivered on time. Since 1976, SES has made proactivity a buzzword for its services, identifying and correcting the equipment problems plaguing its customers. SES engineers know that returning machinery to factory specifications isn't always the best solution for the equipment or the customer. When machinery breakdown occurs, SES engineers use root cause failure analysis to determine and eliminate the reason for failure. The SES Redesign and Rebuild Group uses a 5-point process to diagnose, analyze, and repair the failure, with detailed documentation and ongoing tracking an integral part of the procedure. As a result, downtime is reduced and equipment lifespan is extended, saving the customer time and money. Step 1 is machine teardown and controlled in-depth inspection. Each machine component is thoroughly examined, establishing a comprehensive profile to identify the root cause of the failure. Step 2 is root cause failure analysis. Component part quality, machine design, materials, and operating conditions are examined to provide a total picture for the reason that led to the equipment failure. Step 3 is to re-engineer. For problems resulting from the original design, the redesign and rebuild designers can re-engineer or improve component parts and design configurations using new materials or technology, effectively preventing premature failures from recurring. Step 4 is documentation. A record documenting changes and improvements is established, tracking and evaluating the changes. Step 5 is tracking and evaluation. An ongoing procedure of tracking and evaluation takes over once the equipment is reinstalled and online. The redesign and rebuild engineers regularly monitor the equipment. The result of the redesign and rebuild process is equipment that functions at a more optimal level, elimination of persistent failures, and increased efficiency. All translate to a higher level of productivity and profitability. SES is a leading supplier of sophisticated automated bar, tube, and long product material handling and processing systems. Our world-class technologies for systems include bar inspection, product identification, sawing, shearing, bundling, and automated chamfering features. Our expertise encompasses all size ranges and systems of production, supplying the largest structural mills in the country to the smallest extruding press operations. The SES design team has handled everything from steel, aluminum, brass, and copper bars and shapes to steel, aluminum, brass, and copper tubes. Our world-class technologies for product stacking systems are utilized throughout the industry. From complete material handling automation, including cooling beds, large material handling systems, to small product handling where product is being finished via extruding press or elongating mills, SES has the experience and expertise to do the job right the first time. As the leading supplier for hot mill and cold mill application coil handling equipment, SES has designed and supplied approximately 75% of all coil handling equipment in the last 20 years in this country. This includes standard and custom designed equipment for both entry and exit ends, such as barrel cars, high-speed cars, hairpin cars, bell crank cars, Pac-Man cars, diesel-powered cars, overhead transfer devices, coil upenders and downenders, coil rotators, walking beam conveyors, and more. At SES, we strive to develop long-term relationships based on cooperation, innovative problem-solving, and the success and reliability of our equipment. Our focus has always been to improve and simplify the process, to achieve the best solution for each individual need, competitively priced and delivered on time. The talented engineers of the SES Capital Equipment Group are proud of the innovative equipment they design and build for the metals and related industries. This pride comes from long-term relationships with satisfied customers who appreciate equipment design that is cost-effective, robust, and maintainable. SES engineers bring to each undertaking a unique mix of experience and abilities. They are dedicated to solving the specific needs of the customer's process problem. With our technological expertise, innovative design capabilities, and state-of-the-art computerized design equipment, SES transforms the customer's manufacturing process. SES works with the customer to ensure that the final product meets customer needs and specifications. CAD simulation, computer-animated solid modeling, and line drawings allow the customer to see the equipment or system in a three-dimensional view and in real time. SES engineers begin each task by conducting a meticulous and extensive assessment of the situation. They then develop an innovative solution to the problem. Finally, they use their expertise and in-house manufacturing capabilities to manufacture that solution.